Okay, now, what we got here is a candy bar. And you can't teach that candy bar. It's called the SAWFT.
What?
Thank you, Big Cass. Marshmallow milk chocolate bar. Got it from FYE. Go check it out. Let's get try this candy bar and see how it tastes. What we got? Oh, really? There we go. Let's look at the side of it. What we got there, I think, is a couple of marshmallows. Not bad. I'll taste it better, but not bad at all. Because there's only one word to describe it. You want to spell it out or you want me to? Okay, because
There's only one word to describe that, and I'm gonna spell it out for you.
SAWFT. Soft